If you are facing the problem that we have detected suspicious behavior from a phone number similar to yours in ChatGPT, so let me guide how to fix this problem by two methods. Before moving to the video, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So first of all, you have to just open your browser and search there for the fake number generator. Basically, you have to just change the number to fix this error. So just open any website and here you have to just scroll down and you can select any of the country code to get the number of that country, and then select any number, and after closing this ad you have to just scroll down and from here you can copy any number, and after doing so you have to just open your ChatGPT and paste the number here and then complete all the next steps. This was our first method. So let's move to the next method. Open a new tab and then search for the ChatGPT help center and then open the first website here. So basically we have to contact the support team to solve this error. So at this interface you have to click on the message icon at the bottom right corner and click on the message and then click on send us a message, and then you have to just explain your error here and then click on the send option. After doing so, within 24 to 48 hours ChatGPT will respond to you and your problem will be fixed. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So that's all. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel.